Hi everyone. So the next two families that we're going to do together, very small families, they are Labiate and Liliaceae. Okay? Let's start with the Labiate. They are your mint family. ठीक है? Labiate इसलिए कहते हैं क्योंकि इनके जो कैलिक्स और कोरोला है उसमें जो पेटल्स और सेपल्स है वो सारे बाइलिप्ड है. ठीक है, सो लिप से ये वर्ड लैबिया आता है और इसलिए इस फैमिली का नाम लैबिएटी दिया गया है. ओके, सो देन ब्रैक्टिएट, ज़ाइगोमॉर्फिक, बाइसेक्सुअल, नाउ बाइलिप्ड कैलिक्स एंड बाइलिप्ड कोरल. बाइलिप्ड मीन्स मतलब दो फ्रैगमेंट्स में, करेक्ट. सो कैलिक्स के लिए क्या हो सकता है? कैलिक्स के लिए ऊपर की तरफ दो कैलिक्स, नीचे की तरफ तीन कैलिक्स, ये डिवीजन हो सकती है, या फिर ऊपर एक नीचे चार. Total 5, 2, 3 division or 1, 4 division. Similarly, corolla के लिए एक 3, 2 का division हो सकता है like this, और the opposite of this. So 4 above and 1 below. ठीक है, यहाँ भी total of 5. Androecium जो है उसमें या तो obviously polypetalous है और या तो सिर्फ दो हो सकते हैं फ्री, या फिर दो होल्स हो सकते हैं. अगर दो होल्स है तो वो डाइडायनामस है. डाइडायनामस होने का मतलब क्या है? मतलब टू ग्रेटर और टू लार्जर और टू स्मॉलर, है ना. नॉट ऑफ द सेम साइज, ऑफ डिफरेंट साइजेस. ये जो होल्स है वो एक होल ग्रेटर है, एक लार्जर है, एक होल स्मॉलर है. ठीक है. The gynoecium is obviously, it has two, it's bilocular, okay? But remember कि इनके locules में ना एक false septum दिखती है, जिसकी वजह से ये they look like tetralocular, okay? Two carpels which are obviously fused, है ना? Gynoecium or sorry, ovary is superior. Sorry, the ovary is inferior. Therefore, the whole flower is what? The flower is, the whole flower is epigynous in nature. Okay. Now, if I were to look at the examples, you have medicinals and you have perfumery. So, medicinals will include menthol, जिससे हम derive करते हैं. So the mentha, इसीलिए mint family कहते हैं ना. तो mentha viridis, mentha peperata. This is peppermint, this is normal mint, पुदीना जिसको हम कहते हैं. And Ocimum sanctum, another extremely important plant that you guys, most of us know as tulsi. Ocimum का एक दूसरा species भी है, Bacillium, which is the काली तुलसी और the darker big leafed तुलसी, जंगली तुलसी भी कहते हैं उसको. परफ्यूमरी मतलब जिससे परफ्यूम्स बनते हैं या फिर जो स्मेल, दे हैव अ नाइस स्मेल. सो यू हैव लैवेंडुला, सो दैट्स योर लैवेंडर. यू हैव पोगोस्टेमन. पोगोस्टेमन इज बेसिकली पचुली. आजकल ये बहुत, इट्स ट्रेंडिंग नाउ इट इज पचुली ऑयल. सो दैट्स पचुली. रोजमैरिनस इज रोजमेरी, अगेन यूज्ड इन a lot of food. Thymus is thyme, so multiple such plants which are well smelling. Okay, moving on to our next family, which is Liliaceae, the lily family. Okay, the lily family is bracteate, actinomorphic, bisexual. Now it has a perianth, no distinct calyx and corolla, but a fused perianth which is biseriate and petaloid. Petaloid biseriate मतलब it has two holes, can either be gamo fused or can be poly which is unfused. ठीक है. Petaloid मतलब it's colored or looks like a petal, so it's basically non-green. Okay. The Androecium, okay, this one was also epipetalous, huh? So it was connected to the corolla. Similarly here, the Androecium obviously again is in two holes. but it's not didymus, and it is polyandrous. Okay, again, this is also joined to the perianth. Yeah, but that is known as epiphyllous. Okay, they are epiphyllous. Now, the gynoecium, it's trilocular and has axile presentation fused. Got it? Coming on to the important plants, we will have two examples which are very commonly asked. These are the two. Fritillaria was the plant in which double fertilization was studied for the first time. Okay, and Trillium is the plant which is the largest chromosomes of about 13 micrometers in length. Okay, that's the largest. Remember one thing, this family is a family which does not necessarily, all plants do not show secondary growth. So three plants, Yucca, Agave and Racina, these are the three plants in this family which shows secondary growth. Now coming to the species that we know, Tulipa, that's your tulips. Lilium, that's your lilies. And Asparagus, they are the main ornamental plant groups of this family. This is a very interesting example, Colchicum autumnale. It is used to make colchicine. Okay, colchicine is a cell cycle inhibitor. Yeah. Now, these three examples are also extremely important. Agave, because it is of huge economic importance because it makes a very common alcohol. Yucca, it is very ecologically important because इसके ऊपर dependent एक moth होती है which is known as the yucca moth, and they co-evolve, right? So if yucca goes extinct, yucca moth will too. Therefore, it's extremely ecologically important. Aloe vera, again, you know Greta Kumari, right? Aloe vera is well known for its medicinal benefits and it's a desert plant. It grows well in less water situations and has a jelly inside it which can be used as a medicine for multiple diseases. I hope this much is clear. This is a lot of data to intake, I know, but you will have to gradually get a hold of this now that NEET is coming up. I would really like it if all upcoming NEET students start revising this from their 11th, because now it's time. Okay, if you have any doubts, please let me know. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.